Hello, I'm Dr. Darrell Hestelin. Today I want to talk to you about why use Atlas Agaricus ecusmate, the product name for the mushroom, for your wellness program. Today's toxic environment impairs the responsibility of your immune system. Having the confidence that your immune system is strong and capable to survive a new bacterial strain is priceless. Now, there are 3.5 critical factors. Doctors have overprescribed antibiotics as a major part of the problem. The insurance companies have willingly paid for these drugs. And then the government regulatory agencies have not been honest with their research. And 3.5 would be the congressional representatives have been lobbied and fed false information and basically bought off to allow much of this to happen. 80% of all antibiotics are used for livestock. The number of bacteria resistant to the most powerful and last line of attack is growing. Atlas Agaricus ecusmate, the product name, provides the following. Our superior patented liquid method can extract up to 16 times more beta-glucans than the general liquid extraction methods. And beta-glucans is a powerful product that's part of this to stimulate your immune system. The patent extraction method and unique formula with the Agaricus Blazei mushroom and the Sasa bamboo leaf extract. This makes this product a highly concentrated liquid extract formula for immune system support. Now the research, published medical research, suggests that the ABM, Agaricus Blazei Murill, may help lower blood cholesterol levels, balance blood pressure, inhibit platelet aggregation and thus reduce cardiovascular risk, assist in the treatment of AIDS, herpes, and other viral diseases, hepatitis, and other liver diseases. It's also been effective in chronic fatigue syndrome, influenza, tuberculosis, and also for allergies, bronchial inflammation, Hodgkin's disease, and stomach ulcers. The bioactive compounds are the beta-glucans protein complex, very critical in communication and stimulating the immune system, RNA protein complex, polysaccharides such as X-glucans, beta-glucans, and heteroglucans, dietary fiber, minerals such as potassium, calcium, magnesium, zinc, iron, and manganese. The vitamins B1, B2, niacin, and vitamin D2. The unsaturated fatty acids of linoleic acid and conjugated linoleic acid are very important, and more on that in just a second. The hydrolase, oxidase, and protease enzymes. Polysaccharides have a immune boosting capacity and aid the immune system communication, so the communication between the white blood cells, the thymus, and so on. The natural steroids, there are 6 natural steroids that have been identified in the ABM, and they boost the anti-cancer potential. The linoleic acid is an unsaturated omega-6, which is primary in the oxygen transport molecule in the cell membrane, and that is extremely important in preventing cancer. Now you can better understand why Agaricus Blazei Murill is known as a super functional food. Now some results that I've had and noticed. CH had 4.5 pounds of ovarian tumors removed. She had been taking the formulation for several years, and the doctor was amazed that there wasn't even a transition cell. The tumors were totally benign. There were several cases of prostate and breast cancer that have reported back to me that they've recovered successfully and remain in remission. I use this as a support for my immune system. I take 4 or 5 drops per day, and I have been doing that for about 8.5 years. At this rate, a bottle lasts about 30 days. Agaricus does not attack the cancer cells or the virus or the bacteria. It enhances your immune system's ability to attack and destroy the cells or the organisms. It's a super functional food for all of your systems too. I'm offering this at a $20 discount from the retail price if you order here. The number of antibiotic-resistant bacteria will only increase. Scientists fear we have come to the end of the antibiotic era. All living organisms want to survive. That's part of their makeup. And every time they come into a new antibiotic, they eventually will adapt and change. The antibiotics can't change, and we've come to the end of what we can develop. However, your immune system can adapt if it's healthy. And having a strong immune system will be critical if we suffer a national attack on our power grid. The chaos will be immense. Imagine the panic if locally there's an outbreak of a bacteria resistant to all known antibiotics. Place your order now. It's the right thing to do. So enjoy your health now and tomorrow. This is Dr. Darrell.